Hey guys, welcome back. We're back at the waterfall spot, but today we've got the C24-1 KM. Yes, it's finally here, now available exclusively at the WPL store. Yeah, really nice looking truck, guys. We've got those weighted V3 wheels, soft V1 kit tyres. Currently in second gear, as the trail is pretty casual at the moment. And yeah, we're going to try and make it round the waterfall trail. Okay, so about to head up a steep hill. I'm going to click it down into first gear, and that'll give us a lot more torque and control, and hopefully we can get all the way up. It's extremely steep. The camera's not doing this climb any justice, but it's nice and dry, so no excuses. Let's try and just creep our way up nice and slowly. Oh, my bad, that was my finger there then, guys. Come on. It's such a little truck. Yeah, it's a heavy little critter. Metal axle housings, metal wheel weights. But straight up, very impressed. Yeah, I was very impressed to get up there. It's pretty steep. Like I said, it's not wet and slippery today, so them tyres are staying nice and clean. But yeah, I'm going to pan out, guys, just show you what we're climbing now. Climbing up the side of the mountain. And yeah, about halfway up there it gets really, really steep. It's going to be another test again. Ooh, quite tight there. Stay on the inside line. Oh, very nice. Slowly does it. We're currently uphill all the way at the moment, but on the other side of the waterfall trail, we've got lots of descents, and yeah, make sure you stay tuned because that's when the Res 3 really comes into action. Pretty steep there. Not a problem. Okay, the steepest part of the waterfall trail. I'm going to go for the slow and grippy approach at first, to see if those tyres will grip. Lots of weight. Yeah, putting plenty of traction down, but look how slow I'm going at the moment. I'm just hoping the tyres will bite and just pull me up there. If this technique doesn't work, I can always pop it into second gear and give it a bit of wheel speed, but come on. Come on, C. Pinned in first gear. We're up. Oh, we teetering. Oh, we're up. I did need the extra wheel speed from high gear there. And on we plough. Highly rate these V1 tyres on dry terrain. So usually when I'm taking this trail, it's wet and slippery, and by now they're usually caked up. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this nice dry trail weather, guys. Extremely steep again. Pan out a bit. Up she creeps. Awesome. Oh, wait there. Looks like there's traffic on the trail. Who's that up there? James's little CX24. Just passing by, don't mind me. Hey, what's the trail up like ahead? Is it clear?
Clear and dry.
Clear and dry. Forecast clear and dry. Hey, happy trailing. We're nearly at the top, but yeah, it gets pretty steep, so just can't get over the grip that these V1s are giving me in this dry terrain here. Like a tank. Plenty of weight, plenty of traction, plenty of control. I am very impressed so far, guys. First time out on the trail. Princess is loving it so far, and there, you can see her in there. Smiles per gallon. So we're going to head on down into Merthyr. We'll skip the A470 on the right. I'm going to show you guys just how amazing the Res 3 is on the descents. So just kind of holding my finger as if I was to climb a hill, adjusting the revs accordingly. But what the Res 3 does, it holds the revs. I don't know if you can see how slow and controlled that's coming down there. Obviously, if I let off the trigger, it stopped, but Yeah, for me this is probably the best control you can get on the descents. I've tried the Hobbywing 1060, but yeah, it's got the active descent control, so I'm just barely touching the throttle there, and the Res 3 is it's holding the revs back but keeping me going. Amazing control. Sorry this part's taking so long, but I'm enjoying coming down slow and controlled. There we go, look at that. Oh no, tumble! Oh!
My wheel.
You left something behind, buddy. Let me bring that down for you. We've got a functioning rear bed, guys. Functioning rear bed on there. So as I was saying, the control we're getting on the descents is phenomenal. So you just kind of hold your finger there, and it just kind of really gently holds the res for you, and that's what you want. Perfect for the trail, the Res 3 as you've seen, perfect on the descents. Plenty of power and control to get up the hills. I think we're out the other side, yeah. I have had a blast out on the trail today, guys, with my C24-1 KM. Absolutely amazing all round. It was a pleasure. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.